everyone. Today class we are going to discuss about argue curves or arguing curves. So what is the use of argue curves? Nothing but graphical representation of frequency distribution curves. Frequency distribution curves by the graphical representation. By using these argue curves, we can find the median. For a grouped data. So how can you find that median means? We know that actually median can be found for a grouped data by the formula L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency CF divided by F into H class size. By this formula already we have solved some problems to find median for a grouped data. Now that median we are finding with the help of graph. How can you find with the help of RG curves? What is that? Let us discuss now. Okay, so let us see here. If we consider a data here, so some class interval and frequency is given. So for this we are going to find median with the help of RG curves. What are those RG curves? Means we have two types of RG curves. What are they? Less than type and more than type. Less than type and more than type. So let us draw them. Then we can find a median. So let us see here. First one is about what? Class interval. So Ci, class interval. So see here. Next one, frequency. What they have given? Frequency F5. Let us take it. Next, suppose we are finding first less than type. So to find less than type, here write less than type cumulative frequency. Less than type cumulative frequency. So otherwise we can take it as less than LCF, less than cumulative frequency. So what is that? Let us see. So see here, first you write class interval 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, and last one is 80, 90. So what are the frequencies given? 2, 3, 5, 7, 6 and 2. So here what we are doing? Less than type no? So less than type. Less than type and that is less than type cumulative frequency LC. So less than cumulative frequency, simply LCF. Okay na? So now see, less than type we are drawing. Carefully observe, don't get confused. Less than type we are taking. In the first class interval 30 and 40, if you observe lower boundary 30, less than 30, is there any other class interval less than 30? No. That's why you need to consider 40. So here you have to write less than 40. Less than 40. See here, in the entire range, less than 40 means what? 40 below. Means here 40 below only the least number 30. Means 40 below means 30 to 40. Means in the range of 30 to 40, how many are there? Only 2 there. That is your cumulative frequency 2. So, have you understood? That's it. Next one, less than 50. Means less than 50 this one. So, less than 50, how many are there? Less than 50, 40, 50 one range there, 30, 40 one range there. Means less than 50 means these two will be taken. What are those two? 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 how much? 5. So we will take it as 2 plus 3 is about 5. Are you carefully observe? So simply remember, less than type means we need to consider the upper boundary. Okay na? Upper boundary. You have to write here less than, what is that? 60. Less than 60 means above all 5 plus 3 plus 2. So what is that? 2 plus 3 plus 5. 10. Next, less than 70. So less than 70 above all 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. So what is that? 10 plus 7 70. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So what is that? 70. Next, less than 80. So less than 80. So these are 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17 plus 6 23. You may take that directly or you may add like this 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6. Next, less than 90. So see here, less than 90 above all. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2. So 23 plus 2, 25. So this is about less than type curve. If they ask only less than, this is the table. First, these two are given by the problem. In these two less than type, compulsory you have to mention. In some of the cases, no need of mention, but you just remember. Directly may take LCM. How can we take LCM means just remember less than 40 means less than 30, no other number. That's why we take less than 40. Or simply if it is less than type means you have to take only the upper boundaries. Then if you want to draw the graph, then points we have to take. So LCF points, these are said to be LCF points. So what are they means? Point means it has some x coordinate, some y coordinate, no? So x coordinate nothing but this one means upper boundary. What is that? 40 and 2. Means if you write this, it is easy to write the point. Now see 50, comma 5. Now see here 60, comma 10. Now see 70, comma 17. Next 80, comma 23. Next 90, comma 20. That's it. Okay, now this is about less than type curve. So we have to draw the graph. So let us see. On the graph sheet we have. So for example, I am drawing roughly here. So let us see. We need to take a x-axis and y-axis. So see here, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, na? And our zero. On x-axis we need to take boundaries. Okay, na? On y-axis we need to take cumulative frequencies. So if you observe ranges started from which number 30, no? Just assume it is starting from 30. Here you have so many. Just give like this. Then we will take 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Now on this, what about the range? Frequencies 2, 3, so and so means what we have see here up to 25 we are getting. Let us take range with 5 difference. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, now we are drawing less than type. So see points 40, comma 2. So in this range 40 and 2 means in between 0 and 5. So you will get a point here suppose. Okay, next 50, comma 5, 50 and exactly 5 line, 50 line like this. Next 60, comma 10, 60 and 10. Next 70, comma 17 between 15 and 20 you will get. So 50 means 70 and 17. So we will get here approximately. Next 80, comma 23. 80, 23. So 23. Next 90, comma 25. 90, 25. Okay, if you join these all, see here, you will get this curve. Isn't it, no? So we can take some circles also, no problem. So this is what LCF curve, less than type cumulative frequency curve. If they ask draw the less than type cumulative curve for the given data and find the median is the question. If they ask only one graph, how can you find the median means just you take sum of frequencies. Here what will we get? 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6 plus 2, 8, 15, 20, 23, 25. That is nothing but n value, total number of observations. Then take n by 2 value. N by 2 how much? 25 by 2. What will we get? 12.5. So this is what? Frequency. N by 2 value 12.5. Frequency value we have taken. Frequency on which axis we have taken here? On x or on y? On y axis. So on y axis 12.5 take means if you draw on the graph sheet you will get exactly with the points means exact values you will get. Generally I am taking a 12.5 in between 10 and 15. So if I take a line from y axis means a perpendicular from y axis to this less than type curve, it will touch at a point. Again from that point take a perpendicular onto x axis. So you will get a value that is in between 60 and 70. If you draw the graph you will get, suppose in between 60 and 70 I am getting suppose some after 60.5 you are getting suppose 66.2 like that we are taking. Means it is single curve, how can we take? Means you need to take frequency total values then divided by 2, n by 2 value, because in median formula we have Okay na? In medium formula we have no L plus n by 2 minus. So that value we are taking 12.5. On y axis only we have to take, because on y axis only we are taking frequencies, that we will get in between 10 and 15. Take a perpendicular, and where it touches, from that you have to take a perpendicular again onto x axis. At which value it is touching on x axis, that is your required medium. Now suppose if they ask both, okay, now if they ask both, let us see here. Suppose in a single problem if they ask both less than and more than, and from that find the median if they ask, means draw the both arguments for the given group data and find the median if they ask. So as usually less than type up to this same as usual. Next what we have to do, more than type. In this more than type, so see here, more than, if it is less than, what I am saying, consider this one. If it is less than, we have to consider upper boundary. If it is more than, reverse, lower boundary you have to consider. Because more than 30, how many we have more than 30 means you have to take more than 30. See here in the range, in this range, more than 30, how many you have? 2. Okay na? But you don't remember, you don't confuse me, you don't think that more than 30, only we have 30 to 42 you are considering. But more than 30 nothing but 30 to 90, these are all considered as 30 to 90, these are all considered as more than 30. So how many they are? More than 30. How many they are? These are, because 30 to 90, these are all treated as more than 30. So these are all nothing but how many they are? 25. That's why you will get there itself as more than cumulative frequency or greater than cumulative frequency we take. Okay now, cumulative frequency, that is GCF. Okay now. So how much you will get here now? 25. Are you following? So don't confuse here. If it is less than 40 means less than 40, how many you have? Only 2a. But if it is more than 30 means total 25. Next one, more than, next what is that? More than 40. If you see here also, more than 40 means below 40 are not considered. Below 40 how many we have? 2. Means more than 40 we have, these are, in this are, these two will be removed, means 25 no. So from that if we remove 25 minus 2, what will we get? 23. Are you observing? Or simply remember, more, if it is less than type curve, you need to take upper boundary and cumulative frequencies added in this, means from top to below. If it is reverse, means more than type, you need to take less boundaries, means lower boundaries, and take the cumulative frequency from the bottom and subtract top values one by one. So 25 minus 2, 23. Next you will get like that. Are you following? So next, more than 50. So more than 50 is here. More than 50 we have only these many. Means out of these you have to remove these two. So what are they? So you have to remove from 23 minus this value is what? 5. So what will we get? 23 minus 5. So see here 18. Okay na? Or you may take here out of 25. Out of 25, these all will be subtracted. 2 plus 3 plus 3, like that you have to take. So see here. See students here. So if you see here 23 minus 5. Next, more than value is what? 60. So more than 60. So see here, more than 60. Whatever we have to get only those. So more than 60 means only these many. What are they? 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 2, 15 like that. So nothing but from that we will take 18 minus subtract them. So what are they? More than 60. These are you have to subtract. So 18 minus. So what are they? 18 minus more than 60. 2 plus 3 plus 5. So what you have to do? 18 minus 7. You will get 11. Okay na? Next. See students here, okay, don't get confused. Once again I am telling from this one. So see, totally 25 you are getting. See here, more than means what I am saying, only you need to consider lower boundaries. More than 30 means more than 30 these are repeated, so you will get 25. Next, more than 40 means only these will be considered, means these two will be subtracted. That's why 25 minus 2, 23. Next, more than 50 means only these will be, so above 3 will be subtracted. So 23 minus 3, what will you get? 20. So you are thinking that more than 50 means these are, but in these are already 2 subtracted. That's why we are subtracting only 3. That's it. Next, more than 60. So more than 60. What is that? 20 minus previous one. You just remember while we are going on, just previous frequency you need to subtract. Previous frequency only. In this, if you are in this column, you are subtracting 5. If you are in this column, the above frequency 3 only we are subtracting. Next, if you are in this more than 70, so more than 70, what we have to subtract? 15 minus above frequency 7, 8 we are subtracting. Next, see here, more than 80. Next, more than 80. So if it is more than 80, above frequency we have to subtract 8 minus, what is that? 6. What will we get? Next, more than 90. Sorry, more than 80 only last column. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 completed. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the final. See here, last finally what we are getting? Only 2. So more than 80. Suppose if you are not confused, let us compare. More than 80, how many have? 80 to 90 range only 2. That's why you are getting here also only 2. Now here points for more than type curve. What are they means? Only these two. Simply lower boundary versus more than cumulative frequency. So 30, 25. Next 40, 23. Next 50, 20. Next 60, 15. Next 70, 8. Next 80, these are more than cumulative frequency points. Okay, student. So more than cumulative frequency nothing but we need to consider lower boundaries and frequencies from bottom whatever we are getting totally, from that one by one you have to subtract. So 25 previous frequency 25 minus 2 23. 23 previous frequency in this range frequency 3 23 minus 3 20. Next 20 previous frequency 5 like that. Now let us locate these points on the previous less than cumulative operator. Let us see here 30 25. 30 25. So 30 and 25. Okay. Always remember less than curve is in ascending order, means it will increase from lower to higher. More than type will decrease, means higher to lower. That is the condition you just remember. While drawing you remember more than means we will decrease, less than means we will increase. That's it. Means we will get increased value. So next 40 23. 40 23 in between 20 and 25 23. Let us take here. Next 50 20 50 20 20 where it is here. Next 60 15 60 15 60. So these are with the one shape. Already we explained median by with the help of one, either it is more than or less than, but with the help of 2 how can we find? That is we are going to discuss now. Now see here 50 20 completed. 60 15 60 and 15. Okay. Next 70 8 70, and in between 5 and 10 you will get 8. Next 80 2 80 2 in between 0 and 5. So join these all. That's it. So let us circle them. Actually in this circle also compulsory we have to mention like this. If it is suppose 30, 25 and it is what 40, 23. For this lower also we have to mention suppose if it is last point, no, what is that 90, 25. Or you may write to this side also. Okay, and it is about 80, 20. Actually this is the curve. Now what is this curve? It is more than type, means GCF, greater than cumulative frequency. After drawing both curves, both are intersecting at a point, no? So this is the point both are intersecting. You just take a perpendicular where they are intersecting each other onto x-axis. So see here, if you take again are repeating same in between 60 and 70, same 66.2 for example, means in between 60 and 70 after 60 point for 65 we are getting, after 65 we are getting nothing but it is. Means we can find the median with the help of two curves or single curve also. If it is single curve we need to consider n by 2 value on y-axis, take a line to touch that curve and take a perpendicular onto x-axis, that is a single curve process. Or two curves means both curves intersect at a point, from that point you have to take a perpendicular onto x-axis, where it touches is your required median, that is the value 66.2 we are getting. So this is a process or this is a graphical representation of or graphical finding value of median, So that is by using less than type curve and more than type curve. So students, do the practice regarding this graph, and important, this type of graph will be asked in the second paper. In the second paper, 4 marks problem from statistics, graph only one chance from the statistics only. In the second paper, graph only statistics for 4 marks. So you should practice on less than type and more than type cumulative frequency. So important. I hope you all understood. Do the practice regarding this.